Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue. Today we are going to do les prépositions, the prepositions. Prepositions are of three types. Le premier groupe, deuxième groupe, troisième groupe. Okay? Let's see the premier group. Premier group prepositions deal with the preposition of countries, cities and other places. They are of two types, a and the preposition. A means to, in, at. The means, the apostrophe means from or of. How we use them, a and the preposition? When the masculine country is there, we use AU. In the feminine countries, we use EN with the vowel EN. Plural countries, we use AUX, like Antilles, Pays-Bas, États-Unis, etc. Similarly, in the D, we have for the masculine DU, DU Canada, the France, the apostrophe Iran, the Antilles, États-Unis, Pays-Bas, etc. And for other states and countries, states and other places, we have different preposition. In A, we have AU, ALA, AL apostrophe, AUX. Similarly, DU, DLA, DL apostrophe, and DES. Okay? And in A and the also, for the cities, we have A preposition and DE for the cities in DE preposition. So to place them, we have to remember the meaning also to place the particular preposition. If the meaning is coming to, in, and at, we have to place A preposition form, and if from or the is there, we put DE or the apostrophe. Let's see some examples. Il va à Paris en France. Since il va is there, he is going. So the meaning for this any place will be to, in, or at. A preposition for cities, it's Paris is a city, so we have taken A. France is feminine country, so we have taken EN. Okay, from the A preposition. Nous travaillons au Japon. We work in Japan. Japon is masculine country, and we have to write it from A preposition since the meaning is in. So for the masculine, it's AU. We have written AU. Vous préférez rester aux États-Unis. We prefer to stay in États-Unis, United States. États-Unis is plural country, so we are using AUX. Now, il vient d'Iran. He comes from Iran. From meaning is there. Iran over here, starting with the vowel, country starting with the vowel. So we are going to use the apostrophe. Nous venons du Canada. We are coming from Canada. From here, Canada is a masculine country, so we are using du. Okay, du Canada. Now generally, the countries which are ending with E, France, Swiss, Chine, all these countries are feminine, but they are ending with E, so it's easier to find out which countries are feminine and masculine. But there are countries which end with E, but still they are masculine countries. Some of the exceptions are Zaire, Zimbabwe, Mexico, and Mozambique. All the four are ending with E, but still they are masculine countries. Now, deuxième group. Okay, for the deuxième, we have these set of prepositions. Over here you can see these are single words. There are no preposition before or after them. Sur, en, devant, entre, par, sans, dans, contre, dans, avant, pendant, sous, derrière, chez, vers, avec, pour, parmi, depuis, après, jusqu'à. All these are some of the common prepositions that are being used. Okay, and it will come again and again. Now let's see the troisième group. In the troisième group, you will notice that you will find some or the other preposition with the main word in front of or the after. There will be some preposition or a D preposition will be there. One of the common factor in this is there will be a D preposition in all of the preposition of this group. Okay, à côté de, près de, loin de. Loin and près de are the contrast, far and near. Au-dessus de, au-dessus de, they again are contrary to each other. À gauche de, à droite de, they are also contrary to the left and to the right. Now, en face de, facing, au fond de at the bottom, au bout de at the end, au milieu de in the middle of, autour de around, au coin de at the corner of. So you can see in all the troisième group preposition there is a de preposition at the end, and in the front you can see some of the other preposition are there, a or au or some other. Okay, so this is the troisième group. This group of verbs prepositions are new to you. You have not seen it yet. Okay, so for the 9th class, these prepositions come together in the mixed form in the fill in the blanks. So you got to learn all these prepositions. Okay, everybody? I hope the prepositions are clear to you. That's all for today. Merci.